This week,
we're in the Chablis region in France.
Justin sits on a tiny chair.
Maria gets philosophical about her wine.
Quite like that one.
Lenny applies to become a sniffer dog.
We do our best cowboy impression. Mosey on them.
Yeah, we will mosey on.
Mick can't wait.
Yes.
And if something happens in the van,
We'd smell it. Can you see anything?
Now smash that subscribe button.
and let's get on with it.
Put yourself on the other side of the road, love. Nice one. So we've just left our little river. Oh, what a lovely couple of days there it's been. Really nice, well worth the visit, and it's nice to chill out and have a little swim, get involved. It's lovely, really nice.
Early.
Yeah,
Really
really early this morning. A dip in the water. It was bloody freezing, but it was lovely, friendly. So we're off to our next park up now. It's about an hour and a half's drive. So come along with us for the ride. So we've just got a rub-in noise coming from the front wheel. So Justin's just popped out now to have a little look at it. Can you see anything?
This one.
So we think it's one of our brake pads which is rubbing, and we need to get it sorted really before we move on. So we're just looking for a garage now that's nearby. So the rubbing noise has gone. We don't know whether there was something stuck by the brakes or on the wheel between like the metal or whatever, and that's gone because we just like reversed around and kind of turned the corner. I don't know, but
well, we're going to find out. I haven't put the brakes on yet. It's not making the noise, and it's about 4 kilometres to the garage. So if I try not to put the brakes on and compress the calipers until we get close to there, then there'll be less rubbing on the disc. Yeah,
if it does it again, obviously we'll get it looked at today. But if it doesn't, well, we'll just make our way.
Mosey on them.
Yeah, we will mosey on. So we just come up to the garage, Justin put on the brakes a couple of times, and there's no rubbing sound.
Yeah, so hopefully there was something stuck, because we was on a bit of gravel. We packed on a bit of
we
gravel.
were on gravel. We were there for a couple of days, weren't we? So
I'm hoping there was something got caught in the wheel.
the little tiny ganja plants. Yeah, so we're in hemp country at the minute, where there's lots and lots of fields growing a load of hemp. So there are loads and loads of fields growing hemp.
We think it's hemp.
We think it's hemp.
Because we can't see it being the other stuff.
No, if it was the smokable stuff, the marijuana, ganja, we'd smell it, but you can't smell it at all. So we think it's just hemp that they grow to make all sorts of things. People make clothes out of it. They make flooring and stuff out of it as well. So
Ford made a car out of it once.
It's a nice little tidbit.
Oh, it's supposed to be an amazing product, one of the best products in the world.
And really cheap to grow, and you can grow loads and loads of it in just a few weeks.
Yeah,
so,
it goes really quick
Yeah.
and really fast.
So we're just heading now to our next little lair that we're going to be staying on, and it's taking us down these really narrow lanes, but we are surrounded by Chablis wine grapes. So we're in the Chablis wine region.
Chablis, anyone?
A Chablis?
Anyone fancy a Chablis?
I'd like a Chablis, please. I'll need one by the time we get to the end, these narrow roads. Jesus, now the sat nav is taking us up a little hill, a gravelly hill. Now, there is a road by the side of it, but Justin is insisting we go up this way.
There, look, easy Chablis.
Jesus.
Easy as pouring a Chablis.
So we've just found this lovely little lair. We've just got here now this minute, so the boys are just sorting out, and there's free electric and everything's totally free. Free water, free water drop off. So we've just come through Chablis region. Oh my god, the amount of grapevines here was unbelievable. Right, I've got a wasp following me. Jesus, just there's a wasp following me. Oh my god. Ah! Right, I think he's gone. I'm sure I've just seen like a fruit tree in the bottom of the car park, so I'm going to have a little look at that. If the wasp will just leave me alone for a minute. I mean, we've already had one mishap with a wasp. We don't want another one, thanks. I was stung by a wasp years ago, right underneath my armpit. Oh my god. Seriously, I was in so much pain with it. And now we're kind of like full on fearful of the wasps. Ah yeah, with little tiny apple tree. Look at those. Whoa. Gorgeous.
Jeez.
They drink a lot of wine in this village.
Anybody for wine?
Hey, little boy, you having a nice time? Justin's trying to find the chargers for the bikes now. And the scooter, because my bike is totally dead.
Yeah, well, we got free electric hookup and a free air.
Yeah,
I mean,
brilliant.
come on, do we give you the goods or do we give you the goods?
Do we manage to find all the good park apps or what?
Yeah, so long as we remember to write down exactly where we are, you'll be sorted.
Yeah.
We decided to have a wine tasting tour. We like wine, but we've never really thought about the growing process. So thanks to our host, we came away with some really interesting information. Around the Chablis Valley, there are literally thousands of rows of grapevines. Each area, such as south-facing on a hill near a river, will produce a different taste to the grapes growing on a slight hill, north-facing, with partial sun in the afternoon, nowhere near a river.
He said that this one is on the flatter land and it's got a fruity taste to it and it's good as an aperitif, so it's just before you have food. I like it.
Dry, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's really dry.
The clay and limestone soil produce some of the best wines in the world, including Chablis and Petit Chablis.
I quite like that one.
The Geoffroy family first developed the vineyards in 1850. We will put a link to the website in the description.
What an absolute fabulous evening we've had. We've just been wine tasting and bought a bottle of wine. We haven't drunk that one yet, but we have actually drunk another one. So yeah, so we're just chilling out on the vineyard, and enjoying life, and the little village is absolutely stunning. I'm going to take you for a look around tomorrow because you just would not believe how just beautiful it is. It's the prettiest place I've ever been, and I know I keep saying that, but France is just it's just something new. Every time you hit a new village, it's just a new huge bit of prettiness. That's all I can describe it as. It's just gorgeous.
We're out after tea having a little walk around this old village. It's really oldly, worldly.
Some really lovely buildings around. And they've been renovating some of them, like this one now behind me. But then there's other ones like this one on the other side of the road that they haven't been yet. I mean, some really quirky things. Like, what's that little window about? I love the shutters. There's another little window there. Look at that lintel. That was obviously a big doorway there. Probably stables or something. More shutters. And another one of those little doors. What was that for? Beine is a charming village with a population of 462. It is nestled neatly in a valley with vineyards as far as the eye can see.
Like a painting, you see.
Yeah?
Yeah, in somebody's living room or in I don't know, in like an art studio or something.
Beine is located 6 kilometres from Chablis town and, measured by acreage, is the second wine village of Chablis.
Look at these birds darting around.
Ooh, let's go up and watch them going into their nest. What is that on the top of the roof here?
It's like a siren, isn't it? Right up in the corner of that window is the nest. Cute. Woo! Well, we've only had one night here in Beine, in Chablis.
It's a free air with free electricity and free water. It's situated at the bottom of a small valley surrounded by vineyards, situated next to the museum and the winery, one of many I'm sure. The museum is really worth a look. There was loads of old-timey stuff in there. We've had a walk around the village and the village is a beautiful place. If you come past Chablis, definitely worth a visit.
Oh yeah, it's super beautiful. It's really, really lovely, super quiet, really peaceful as well. So we're headed further south today, but first of all we've got to go to Carrefour and pick up a new SIM card because I'm with Asda and I've run out of data, and they only allow you to carry over 5 gig of data over here in France. So we're off to find a new SIM card today because I've used that in like a week. So Justin's with Tesco's and he can roam like he's at home. So it's a bit of a poor show with Asda really, but there we are. What can you say?
Boo! Thumbs down, Asda!
Yeah, boo!
Boo!
Lenny's fantastic joke is coming up, so hang fire, don't go anywhere. If you've made it this far, we'd like to thank you for sticking around. We are beyond grateful for your support and for sharing in our adventures. Your likes, comments and subscriptions mean the absolute world to us and help us continue creating content that inspires and entertains. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe to stay updated on our future van explorations. Thank you again, and until next time, keep embracing the van life spirit.
What wine do they serve at horse races?
What wine do they serve, Lenny?
Chardonnay.
There's a wasp following me!